Do 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 do. Hey, darn it! I can't get up now. Cinder, please get up there. Thank you. Her. Welcome back, everyone. Sorry, I don't have a shirt on, but I did this at random. Today, I wanted to show off my child. This is Cinder. She's adorable, isn't she? She's my child. You also, just to inform you, her other parent, who also adopted her, is Cedar Pantry. If you wish, you can go find them. But, for now, just look at the cat. Da, 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 da. Cinder, look at the camera. She's just an adorable cat. Just wanted to hop on and show her off. Figured it'd be a good, funny video just to show off my child. Yeah. That's literally the point of this, just to introduce Cinder. She might pop in on a few videos, just for the fun of it. So, thought I'd introduce her. Do a little dance, Cinder. Yeah. Okay, we can quit now. You wanna quit? Meow if you wanna quit the video. Do you? Do you wanna quit the video? Do you wanna quit the video, my child? Oh, you going for that mouse? Guess that means yes. See you guys on the next one. Blocky out.